Hi ladies, I'm Dr. Kafali from Chicago Breast and Body and FemSculpt Cosmetic Gynecology. Lately, I've been seeing more and more patients after massive weight loss who are unhappy with the changes in their genital area. We hear terms like Ozempic face all the time, but yes, there's also a term called Ozempic Vulva, Ozempic genitalia. Many people are calling those these days. Why does this happen? Because the major weight loss, aging, gravity, the genital area also loses its support and the youthful fullness. The area naturally has healthy fat that helps it look soft, smooth, and youthful. And when that is lost, the changes can become very, very noticeable. That's why every patient needs a really careful, individualized evaluation. Not everyone needs the same treatment. Depending on the anatomy, depending on the concern, the right approach may be labia minora reduction, cleft narrowing, vaginal tightening, or labia majora reduction, or fat transfer to the area to make the area full and make the area look youthful. The good news is there are many treatment options to fix and to make the patients happy, from non-invasive approach to the surgical approach. Non-invasive treatments can include radiofrequency, deep microneedling, PRP, growth factor-based injections, and other regenerative options. The surgical treatments may include the labia minora reduction, cleft narrowing, labial puff, which is the fat transfer to the labia majora area, labia majora lift or reduction, and vaginal tightening, and one or more surgical options combination at once. And these decisions needs to be done with the patient and what they want and how they want. So this message is simple. This is real. These problems are real. It is really common, and the good thing is it's treatable. So, but the most important step is choosing someone who understands this area in detail, because the right diagnosis is always before the right treatment. If you do not have the right diagnosis, you are not going to be reaching the right treatment or the right goal that you want to achieve. Just remember, just because weight left the body doesn't mean confidence has to leave with it. So if you have any question, if you have any concerns in your mind, we are here to help you. I'm Dr. Kafali from Chicago Breast and Body and FemSculpt Cosmetic Gynecology. Take care now.